What I like about 3D printing is it allows me to come up with creative solutions for projects in my classes. What I made with the 3D printer was a pair of glasses for my computer applications final. I made a phone holder for a robot that I made, and I've also made various syringe holders for a hydraulic arm that I made in an IDET class.
I like 3D printing because it allows me to create unique solutions to problems and things in class. So I can take something that's my own and make it and have it be able to hold as a physical object.
What I like about 3D printing is that you can take your 2D creative ideas and transform them into something very realistic, something you can physically grab a hold onto and use in real life.
"3D printing has taught me math and science by teaching me how to use square roots and finding area and perimeter.
You can print out models like cells and atoms that can help you learn what your teacher is teaching you. I printed out a purple piggy bank at school on the 3D printer so I could save up for my own at home.
"3D printing helps me learn because you can make things that it's hard to visualize, and you can make them become so you can see it, understand it more.
3D printing makes things inside my imagination to come to life.